Go to New File and create a new document. Set the width 10,800 pixels and height 1,350 pixels. Go to View, Guides, and select New Guide Layout. Set the values as mentioned on the screen. Now, select Slice tool and right-click on the document, then select Divide Slice. Check Divide vertically into, and write 10. It evenly slice the each page. To save the slices, go to File, Export and select Save for Web. Click on Save and browse where you have to save your slices. In my case, I'm going to save these slices on desktop. If you want to download these beautiful already made carousel templates, then check link in the description. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Subscribe Templatebolt if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.